The two scriptures that I know, the Bible and the Quran, teaches that ask, it shall be given. Seek, you shall find. Knock, it shall be opened. Whatever you are going through in life, you need to speak up and ask. Just ask. Nature is there. The universe is there. The Almighty is there to answer you. Hi, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. On this channel, we discuss spirituality, simple life hacks. We talk money, we talk love spell, and we give simple life hacks. And today, I'm going to be teaching us a simple ritual that you can do that will attract money to you using bay leaf manifestation. Now, from the intro, you know that the ingredient we are going to be using is simple. We are going to be using bay leaf, bay leaf, bay leaf, bay leaf. It might be the dry one, it might be the fresh one. It doesn't matter. We are going to be using bay leaf, but the dry one is very, very good and very, very effective for this ritual. And I'm going to be teaching you two ways to use bay leaf to attract money, wealth to you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you two ways. So let's get into it. All I ask of you is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't click off. Don't assume you know it all. It's not going to be long, but it's going to be very simple and it's effective. Because bay leaf in ancient time has been used to manifest money, wealth, abundance. It's used to attract customers to you. It's used for fertility. It's used for love spell, and it attracts abundance to you. If they were doing it and it was very successful to them, then we can do it. And that is why I'm bringing this to you. In case you are new, you might not have heard us speak about bay leaf. But for my returning subscribers, they know that bay leaf, we talk about bay leaf a lot, and I don't joke with it because bay leaf is very, very effective, especially in manifesting money. It manifests money and you can use it in different ways. I've done so many videos. I'm going to be linking one hobby where you can watch different ways to use bay leaf to attract money, abundance, wealth. You can even use it as a love spell, and it's used for fertility, like I said. So, but in this one, I'm going to be teaching you two ways to use it, and it's not going to costing you anything except you get the bay leaf. You get the bay leaf. So the first one, just get one bay leaf, just one bay leaf, just one leaf, bay leaf like this, and you don't need to do any incantation. If you wish, you can put the sign, the symbols of money. You can put dollar symbols, you can put naira symbols, you can put any symbol that you want on it. Then you are going to be putting it in your wallet, in your wallet, in your wallet. See my wallet. So you just look for somewhere to put it in your wallet. So you just put it in your wallet, in the wallet, and it will be there forever. Forever. Just leave it there. What does it do? If you have this in your wallet, that your wallet will never dry. Your business will never dry. People will always call you for work. They will always call you for business, and you will never lack money. Your one is to do it. You don't need to ask where is the money going to come from. The money will come. Already you have something doing, and you just put it. People will be blessing you. Businesses will come. They will be inviting you for business, for contract, and the rest. Just this, your purse will never run dry. Just leave it there. I promise you, it's something you should consider doing. It doesn't cost you anything. Just get one bay leaf, put it there, and leave it forever. You can change it once in a way. If you know the one there is wrong put, you can remove it, put another one. It's as simple as that. no need, no incantation, nothing. You can put your intention before you put. You can say you want money, you want your post number to run dry of money, you don't want to lack money. Just put it. But if you don't even see anything, just put it there. It's known to attract wealth, money. That's why it's very popular in the ancient times. They use it. Even kings, they use it. Royals, you see them having it. They even burn it as incense in their palaces because it is a workable spell. The second spell is that just get some amount of money, any denomination, 1 or 2, just have it. Then you get bay leaf. You can't 4, just 4. You need 4. Then you need thread or ribbon, red ribbon or red ribbon or red thread or red ribbon or red thread that you can use. You have it. If you don't have red, then you can use gold. In this case, I don't have red, but I have gold or yellow. You can use red, but red is the best. It's perfect for this. So get red. Just get 4 leaves, not too big. Just get 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do you do it? Just make sure you have a note, any amount of money can be just to represent money, signifies money, is money. So you have 4 of this, is the energy that attracts money this time around. So you have the 4. So the thread or the ribbon, the red ribbon, you use it to hold this together. You tie it together, hold it together. So you now use it to tie it together. Once you tie the ribbon, once you use the ribbon or the thread to tie the 4 bay leaves together, then together with your money, you put it together like this. You put it like this. You just put it like this. Then also you can keep it in your wallet. So just look for somewhere to keep it. Just look for somewhere to put it. That's just all. Money will never run dry from your purse. This is a very simple ritual, but it works because, like I told you, in the ancient times, bay leaf is used to manifest money, wealth, abundance. It's used in fertility. It's used as a love spell, and it brings business. Is your business. You can keep your wallet. The wallet that you can use it in your wallet. You can keep it in your bag. You can keep it in your purse. If you carry purse all the time, you can keep it. If you are the type that does not carry purse or wallet, then if you have a drawer in your store, your shop where you keep your money, you can keep this there, and it will work wonders. Money will never run dry from you. Rather, you'll be experiencing money will be coming, business will be coming. If you use it in your shop, sales will be coming. You'll be seeing money, and upon that, you'll be using the money for something meaningful. A lot of people work and cannot boast of what they do with the money. The money comes and the money goes out. But if you have bay leaf, if you do this ritual the way I told you to do it, then money, you will never lack money. Money will come, and you use the money for something meaningful, and you will never regret, because money will never leave you. It will be coming and coming and coming. If you do this, I bet you come and give me your testimony. It's a simple spell, but it works. If you are not so sure, you are not so convinced, then you can even Google bay leaf. Google the uses of bay leaf, spiritual uses of bay leaf. You can even Google the history behind bay leaf, and you will learn that this bay leaf is not new. It might be new to you because you are not aware, but it's not new. It has been used from time immemorial, and you believe what you come and thank me for this. Just try it, do your own research. But instead of doing, I've done the research for you. I've done it. It has worked. I've given to so many of them. I've done so many videos talking about bay leaf, and it works. It's very simple like that. If you have enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like, subscribe, and share this video to others. Don't be selfish. Give it to others so that they can benefit from it. Talking about other use of bay leaf, you can check out this video here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.